Hello guys, welcome to the step 2 videos of car paint restoration by Mothers. This is Mothers micro polishing glaze, enhance color, depth and clarity, fills and hides imperfections. It means that it contains a filler that can hide swirls. For best result, use a DA polisher. This is flex dual action. You might need to paper tape your car trims or it will get stained. So I have done both sides with Mother's Pure Polish. Now I'm gonna apply Mother's Micro Polishing Glaze just on this side so you can see the difference later. Directions: pour a small amount of product directly onto buffer pad. Let me stop right here. What if this is our first time and we don't know how much is small amount and how much is too much? So let's try pour it a bit much to see what happens. There you go. If you see the liquid flying around from the polisher, that means you pour it too much. It still works nonetheless, but it will be harder to wipe. So make sure you have the instant detailer to help wipe it off. Now let's see the result. What do you guys think? Next video, Mother's Pure Brazilian Carnauba Wax. See you guys in the next videos. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.